Let's learn Started Stoppin'. It's choreographed by myself, Michelle Wright. It is a 32 count 4-wall improver level line dance. It has a restart on wall 6 after 8 and counts and a restart on wall 8 after 24 and counts with a step change. I'm going to turn around and break down the dance section by section using steps and counts. We'll then practice the front wall all the way through with steps and counts, talk about the restarts and the ending, and then we're going to go through and dance the entire dance since wall 10 is your final wall so that you know how it all flows, so you can hopefully dance this on a dance floor near you. So let's turn around and learn Started Stoppin'. Section 1, your weight's going to start on your left foot. We're going to step our right foot to the right side. You're going to rock your left foot back and recover onto your right. We're now going to do a locking shuffle forward, stepping your left foot forward, bring your right foot in and behind your left, and then step your left foot forward. We're now going to step forward with our right foot, do a half pivot over your left shoulder, putting your weight onto your left foot to face 6 o'clock, and then we're going to do a quarter chassé, turning over our left shoulder, make a quarter turn, stepping your right foot to the right side, step your left next to your right, and then step your right foot to the right side, and you'll end facing 3 o'clock. So let's try that with some counts. Weight is on your left, stepping to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1. Section 2, you're going to step your left foot back and behind your right and point your right toe to the right side. We're now going to weave, crossing our right behind our left. Step your left foot to the left side, cross your right over your left. You're going to step your left foot to the left side, touch your right next to your left. We're now going to do a kick ball behind, so you're going to kick that right foot low and forward. Quickly step your right foot next to your left and then cross your left behind your right. So let's try that with some counts. Our chassé was 8 and 1, so your back point is 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1. Section 3, we're going to hold and then do a ball cross, stepping your right foot to the right side and cross your left over your right, and then hold. We're now going to do a ball behind, stepping your right foot to the right side and cross your left behind your right. We're going to rock our right foot to the right side, recover onto your left, and we're going to do a crossing shuffle right over left, cross right over left, left side, right over left. So let's try that with some counts. We just did our kick for 8 and 1. You're holding for 2 and 3, hold 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1. Section 4, we're going to chassé to the left, stepping left, side, right together, left side. You're now going to rock your right foot behind your left, recover onto your left, and step your right foot to the right side. We're now going to do 2 sailor steps, crossing your left behind your right, step your right foot out to the side, step your left foot out to the side. We're now going to cross our right behind our left, step your left foot out to the left side, and then when you step to the right, this will start the dance all over again for 1, 2, 3. So let's try it with some counts. Weight is on your right. You're doing your chassé for 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6 and 7, 8 and 1 to start the dance over again. So now let's face the front. We're going to do it 1 time through with steps, 1 time through with counts. Weight is on your left, stepping to the right, so it's side, rock back, recover, lock, step forward, step, half pivot, quarter chassé, back point, weave, behind side, cross, side touch, kick and behind, hold ball, cross, hold ball behind, side rock, recover, crossing shuffle, chassé, rock back side, sailor, step, sailor, and that step to the side will start your dance over again. Let's try it with some counts. Weight is on your left, stepping to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1. Hold 2 and 3, hold 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6 and 7, 8 and 1 to start the dance over again. Now let's talk about the restarts. Your first restart will be on wall 6, and you're going to dance 8 and counts, which is the full chassé, where your step to the side to end that chassé will be 1 to start the dance over again. So wall 6 is a 3 o'clock facing wall. Weight is on your left. We're going to start by stepping our right foot to the right side. So we're going to go side, rock back, recover, lock, step forward, step, half pivot. Now we're going to do our quarter chassé to face 6 o'clock, going side together. And that side step of your chassé is 1 to start the dance all over again. You'll be able to hear that one in the music because the music changes for that 8 counts and then it picks back up when you are stepping to that right side. Now, your next restart is on wall 8, so that will be a 9 o'clock facing wall. We're going to dance 24 and counts, but that 24 includes a step change. So we're going to dance up to that part and then talk about the step change. So weights on your left, stepping to the right, it's side, rock back, recover, lock, step forward, step, half, pivot, quarter chassé. Back point, weave, behind side, cross side touch, kick ball behind, hold ball cross, hold ball behind side, rock, recover. Right here, now instead of doing our crossing shuffle, what we're going to do is cross, rock, recover really quickly, doing a quick cross, rock, and then you will start over again. And that is your whole thing. After that, you will dance till the end of the dance, which is wall 10. When you dance wall 10, you'll end facing the back wall and you'll do your kick ball behind, ball cross, and then unwind to the front over your right shoulder to end the dance. So now let's go around. On the front and back walls, I'm going to do steps. Side walls, I'm going to do counts. We're going to dance all 10 walls of the dance so that you can practice the transition from both restarts into the next wall as well as the ending. Weight is on your left foot. We're starting with our step to the right. So it's side, rock back, recover, lock, step forward, step, half pivot, quarter chassé. Back point, weave, behind side, cross side touch, kick and behind, hold ball cross, hold ball behind, side rock, recover, crossing shuffle, chassé, rock back side, sailor step, sailor 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1, hold 2 and 3, hold 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6 and 7, 8 and side, rock back, recover, lock, step forward, step, half pivot, quarter chassé, back point, weave, side touch, kick ball behind, hold ball cross, hold ball behind, side rock, recover, crossing shuffle, chassé, rock back side, sailor step, sailor 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1, hold 2 and 3, hold 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6 and 7, 8 and side, rock back, recover, lock, step forward, step, half pivot, quarter chassé, back point, weave, side touch, kick ball behind, hold ball cross, hold ball behind, side rock, recover, crossing shuffle, chassé, rock back side, sailor step, sailor. We're going to dance the first 8 and count. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8 and restart side, rock back, recover, lock, step forward, step, half pivot, quarter chassé, back point, weave, side touch, kick and behind, hold ball cross, hold ball behind, side rock, recover, crossing shuffle, chassé, rock back side, sailor step, sailor. We're going to dance our 24 counts with our step change. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1, hold 2 and 3, hold 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8 and restart side, rock back, recover, lock, step forward, step, half pivot, quarter chassé, back point, behind side cross, side touch, kick ball behind, hold ball cross, hold ball behind, side rock, recover, crossing shuffle, chassé, rock back side, sailor step, sailor 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1. Hold 2 and 3. Unwind to the front to end the dance. And that is the whole thing. So now that you've learned it with the tutorial, you can use the timestamp in the video description below to skip to the rear demo so you can practice as much as you would like, so you can hopefully go out and dance this on a dance floor near you. I hope this helped you learn start and stoppin'. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks, guys.